Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I have another Ford Transit cargo van for you. As if you haven't ever seen one of these at Tyacke Motors. This is the same as all of them that we have. This is a 2024 Ford Transit 250 3/4 ton. It's a one owner van out of Phoenix. This one has 13,000 original miles on it. Very clean inside and out. I buy all these vans from U-Haul. They are all exactly the same. So if you've watched any of the other videos or looked at any of the other ones we have on our website or on our channel, they are quite literally all exactly the same. I buy the nice ones. I don't buy the scratch and dent ones. I don't buy the ones that are edgy. I buy the nice ones. This is one of the nice ones. Very, very clean. No road rash, no paint chips. You can see how nice and clean the front end is. No scrapes or scratches on the bumper cover. Very clean. These are well equipped. U-Haul puts orders them with the chrome grille. They've got the fog lights. They've got the parking sensors in the front, which is awesome. U-Haul puts these nice galvanized running boards on them. One of the things I really like about these is they stick out just a little bit from the side of the van. So if one of your employees gets a little bit too close to a pole or a cement barrier or something like that, he'll just put a scratch on your running board instead of a big scrape down the side of your van. So something that's nice, I really like. Still has the original Continental all-season tires, matching all the way around, that are still in really good shape. Very clean underneath. This one hasn't been in the snow and the salt and the cold. Paint and body are very, very nice. Like I said, no dings, no dents, no scratches. Very, very clean all the way around. These have the windows in the back and the windows on the side, so they're pretty easy to see out of. We are very thorough when we clean these and get them ready. I always spray off, clean everything nice underneath. All the little details, those are things that are important to me. I figure if you're spending $30,000+ on a van, it doesn't matter if it's a cargo van, it should still be nice underneath. So while everybody else's are dirty and muddy and gross, you can rest assured that if you buy one from me, that it is nice and clean, even in the places where you don't normally look and don't normally care, because that's just the way I do things. Again, paint, body, and everything on this side, very, very straight and clean. Running boards all the way down. These are still under the full factory warranty, which is 3 years, 36,000 miles bumper to bumper, or 5 years, 60,000 miles on the drivetrain. Original headlights, very clean and clear, no haze or fog or anything. Again, no paint chips or anything. One of the things I really like about the U-Hauls also, these are not EcoBoosts. I am not an EcoBoost fan by any sense of the word. These have the 3.5 liter non-eco V6 in them. These engines are great. They've got plenty of power, and they are simple and they are reliable. You don't have all of the issues that come with the EcoBoosts. These are a really, really great engine. We've had tremendous luck with them over the years. We've sold, since they went to this motor a few years ago, we've probably sold close to 250 of these vans, and no complaints. Everybody's happy with them. All of our customers and contractors, and especially guys that have a number of these in their fleet, have been very, very happy with the 3.5. It's a great motor. It was kind of the replacement for the 3.7. So very nice, great engine. These are very clean inside. Also, a nice thing about the U-Haul vans, you know, these are usually people that are moving furniture or boxes and things like that. They're local in-town rentals. They're not over-the-road rentals. And so they don't get used hard. This one's got 13,000 miles on it. You've got your USB inputs and everything up here. These also have Bluetooth. You've got your factory backup camera. And then they've got all the modern safety features. So you've got your lane keep assist, forward collision alert, all that good stuff. And then cruise control, tilt steering column, power windows, locks, cruise. 4 keys with this one, which is nice. The U-Haul vans usually have a bunch of keys. Power mirror switch right there. Dash, everything all in really, really good shape. The interior of this one is very nice, just like all of the ones that we get. U-Haul also puts these partitions, headache racks in them, which are awesome. So it'll come with the headache rack. And another couple things that U-Haul does that I really like, they put these nice big rubber mats in the back of them to protect the floor. This one has the plastic covers over the wheel wells, which is nice. And then U-Haul puts this wood paneling on the inside, which I really like. Very sturdy. The way they put them in there, like rock solid. A lot of guys can install shelving and racks and bins and stuff like that and install directly to this, which is awesome. You don't have to buy the fit kits and everything for them. So interior, very nice. Has not been all beat up and used hard. Very, very clean. And then moving over here to the other side of the slider. Got your partition there, nice big wide door opening. And you can see everything there. And last but not least, the passenger side. You got your spare tire, tools, and jack and everything right there underneath the passenger seat. U-Haul does the cloth upholstery on these, which is nice, a little bit warmer and softer and homier feel. Have your books and manuals, everything there in the glove compartment. And that is pretty well it. Again, we get a lot of these vans. We sell a lot of them. They're all pretty much exactly the same. This one's very nice. The 24s are pretty well gone now. I was able to get 3 on my last load and are likely the last 24s we'll get till the 25s come out in a few months. So if you're looking for a couple cargo vans, we've got 3 of them on the ground right now. 2 with 11,000 miles. Actually, we have 4. 2 with 11,000 miles, one with 24,000 miles, and this one with 13,000 miles. So come see us. We've got a bunch of them, 4 of them on the ground still, and would love to sell you one. Thanks for watching.